Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for joining me. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I changed this wig from looking this way to looking this way. Yes guys, I did that. I actually bought that wig and I wore it for some time. I don't really like the way it was looking. Then I have to keep it for a long while, and then one day I just started of doing something like this. Inspiration just came into my head and I decided to just spice it up. So guys, if you want to see how I transform this wig, sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, juice, wine, whatever you want, and let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I went ahead to lose the weft from the cap. Alright, so after losing the weft, I washed it. So after washing it, because I'm trying to make a new wig, like I'm trying to make it to be a brand new wig, so I can't just lose it like that and start making it without washing it. So I had to go on to wash it after washing it, and then I'm also using a new cap. Alright, so guys, I'll just place the weft on the cap. I'm showing you my needle and thread, so I'll just go on to sew. Guys, please, this is not a tutorial on how to make a wig. All right, I'm just trying to show you how I was able to achieve that wig I showed you on my intro. Okay, so I'm not going to show all the details or what you need to know about making a wig. Okay, so guys, if you want to see a video, a detailed tutorial on how to make a wig, I will post the link on my description. Okay, and also I'll tag it somewhere around the video, so you just click on it and then watch a detailed tutorial on how to make a wig. All right, so I'm just going to be very quick with this one because I don't want the video to be too long, so I'll just go straight to the point. So I'll just show like few steps on how I sew the weft, and then afterwards I'll just jump straight to the front part, which is the most important part. Okay, so from the front part I'm going to walk you through on how I was able to mix the hair. So stick around and watch till the end of the video. Guys, the hair that I used, okay, the color 2 hair that I used is miracle hair. Okay, so I have that weft remaining from a previous video I made, of which I posted that video on how to make a wig. I'm going to leave the link on the description box. Okay, so do well to watch it, and how to make a fringe wig. Okay, a full fringe wig. So, and I have some leftover wefts from that hair, so that is what I'm going to be using for the front part. Okay, so if you have a color wig like that and then you also want to make it to look this way, because guys, I really love this hair. Like I'm literally wearing it like every time. No, like seriously, I'm loving it now. You know, like at some point, the way it was looking previously, I got tired. I really got tired of wearing it, so I had to keep it for a while. And then one day, like I said before, the inspiration came, and then I started to just spice it up. You know, like that really made it to look like entirely a different wig. Like, and I got lots of compliments of that wig. Even some of my friends that I told that was the exact same wig they've seen me wear before, they were very surprised. Okay guys, enough of the talking. I will allow you to watch and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're finally at the front part. Okay, so you can see the way I'm placing the weft. All right, so here I want to start making the fringes, which is the bangs. All right, so as I'm just showing you how I did that, so I'll just flip the hair over to the front part and then use my pin it down and sew that down. I used individual wefts. When I was sewing from the back, I was doubling the weft, but when I got to the front, I used single weft because I don't want the bangs to be too full. Okay, but if you want your bangs to be too full, you can use double weft, but I prefer using single weft for the fringes. All right, so I'll go on to use the gold hair first, and then afterwards I'll start adding the other color hair. Okay, the color 2. So you'll see what I'm trying to explain to you in a moment. Alright guys, so I'm done sewing down the gold hair. So then I'll move on to sewing the other colored hair. So that's what I'm showing you here. So I'll go on to sew it, but there's something I did here. For the gold hair, I sewed it round. But for this color right here, I'm not going to sew it round. If you can see what I'm doing, it's just I just placed it in front of the hair, the wig. Okay, so I'm just going to sew it down just in front. That's how I'm going to be placing it and sewing it. Why? Because I want the color to just be in the front. All right, I don't want the color to extend to the back, and when I turn my back you say no, I don't want it like that, because it did not look good. At first I tried doing it that way, but it didn't really come out the way I like it. So first of all I placed the hair round just like I did for the gold one, but it didn't really come out good. Like, it was not looking good behind, so I had to just remove it and decided to do it this way. And I really like the fact that I did it this way, because it came out looking very beautiful. Okay, so guys, I was just sewing down the weft, single weft. Okay, I did not sew double, because if I sew double it's going to be too bulky, and I don't really like bulky fringes. All right, you know, this is already a coily hair. When it's too full it tends to be too bulky, and I don't like it to be too big. I was even thinking it was too big at some point. It was big, but I decided to just leave it. But then the fringes, it's okay. Like, the size of the fringes, it's very okay, but the hair behind, it's big, because I like fuller hair. Some people don't really like hair to be too full, but I like hair being full but not too full. Okay, all right, so when I finished sewing down the brown hair, I went ahead to place the gold on top of it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing till I achieve the quantity that I needed for the front, and then I'll go on to use the gold to cover it and sew it round. I'm only sewing the brown hair in front. I'm not taking it all the way around the wig, no, but it's just the gold. When it's time for me to sew the gold, I'll sew the gold round, but when it's time for me to sew just the brown hair, I'll sew the brown. I'll just place it just in front of the wig, if that makes sense. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but if you're watching the video, you can see what I'm doing. Like, when it's time for me to sew the gold, I sew it round, but when it's time for me to sew the brown, the color 2 hair, I just place it just in front of the wig, because I just want the color to be just in the front. Okay guys, if you've stayed with me till this moment and you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell to get notified on any of my new uploads, because I have loads and loads of videos coming your way. And also guys, don't forget to comment in the comment section your thoughts about this new look for the wig. What do you think about it? Do you like it? Is it something you're gonna try? Also, share this video to your friends and family. You never know who might be in need of this video. You never know who have one wig they've worn for some time and they're tired of wearing that, want to spice it up like this, just the way I did. Like, I left this wig for a while, but because of the way I transformed it, I had to stop wearing it again, and I'm loving it. So guys, you can also do it for your wigs too, and also your friends and family might be in need of it. please share this video, okay? Thank you so much, and God bless you for that. Okay guys, so there's something I did here. I was using the brown just for the front part because I don't want it to extend to the back of the wig, okay? So when I got to some extent, remember I was only using the gold to go around, but the brown is just for the front part. So when I got to some extent of putting the brown, I started adding the gold behind. Like I'll use the brown for the front part, and then I'll attach the gold where the brown stops, and then use the gold to finish up around, to connect it, if that makes sense. Like I used the gold to connect with the brown part because I don't want the brown going to the back. All right, so guys, that was what I did. I had to do that till I get to the finishing point of the wig. Okay guys, so I am done with my wig. Yay! I was so happy at this point because I was feeling myself, like I was really loving the wig, and I can't wait to rock it on. Like I can't wait to wear it. I was so happy. Like the day I was making this wig, a friend of mine was around, and then she was like, whoa, like she couldn't believe it. The transformation was massive. Like it was plenty. Like, so I just go on to trim it, cut off the excess hair, like where that is long, just cut them off, cut my bangs, and guys, afterwards your baby girl have to rock this hair. And guess what? I went out and I rocked the hair. Like I couldn't wait. I had to just go out. Like, how can I have this hair and not wear it? How can I have this hair and not go out? It's not possible. Like I have to go out, and I was looking so cute. Can you believe this? Can you look at this hair? Can you compare this hair and the way it was looking before, guys? Whoa. Alright guys, so this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Thank you for your support, your love. I'm so happy, so happy. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you all, but God loves you more. Peace.
On my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping